Hello guys, you are welcome in my channel. Today we will know about some amazing and interesting fact. So without further delay, let's get started. Fact number 1. Banging your heads against wall for 1 hour burns 150 calories. Alternatively, you can walk with your dog for 45 minutes, which also burns 150 calories, which is less painful. Fact number 2. Snakes can help predict earthquake. They can sense the coming earthquake about 75 miles away, which is 121 kilometers to and 5 days ago from it happens. Fact number 3. Flock of crow is known as murder. Some might say that a group of 2 crows is attempted in murder. Next fact. About 7% of American adults believe that the chocolate milk comes from brown cow. I know 7% doesn't sound a lot, but that actually work out at 16.4 million Americans adult. Next fact. If you lift up the kangaroo's tail, it will not hook. If you lift the kangaroo's tail up off the ground, it will not hook, because kangaroos use their tail for balance. We see hooping. If you elevate their tail, they would have no balance and they will fall over the ground. Next fact. Do you know why bananas are curved? Because bananas grow towards the sun. Bananas go through a process. It's called geotropism, negative geotropism. Next fact. Billy goats are urinated at their head to smell good to impress female goats. Billy goats and bucks are the name specially given to the male goats. Next fact. Do you know which day is more dangerous to you? Monday. It can be happen. Monday is a more likely day for heart attack. Heart attacks are increased by 20% more on the Monday. The most common time to happen is 4 to 10 a.m. But don't worry, there are also some positive and fun facts on Monday too. In 2017, there are more killed by the selfie than the SARS attacks. Next fact. Rita Faria was the first Indian woman who won Miss World title in 1966. Next fact. A sheep, duck and a rooster were the first passenger in the hot air balloons. In Uganda, there are 48% of a population are below the age 15 years. And the bonus fact of today's video. Do you know which animal also gives milk and lay eggs? It is dark-billed platypus, native Eastern Australia and Tasmania. This is the only animal in the world which gives both milk as well as egg. If you like this video, please do like thumbs up button and subscribe our channel.